As you might agree, we all spend a considerable amount of time in our bedrooms and not just sleeping. We get dressed, sometimes work, and we even dance and play in our bedrooms. Our bedrooms can be thought of as our sanctuaries, a serene place to escape. So shouldn't we feel a sense of calm and relaxation in them? Welcome back everyone, Mrs. H here, and today we're taking our bedrooms from drab to fab with a few simple budget-friendly tips and tricks. Now as always, before we get started, if you want to be a part of the tribe, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Now if you're ready to create the oasis of your dreams, keep it locked here. Also at the end of this video, I'm going to share a special tip that could save you lots of money. So, if you're here for it, let's get started. The first tip is to set some ground rules. Despite how romantic it may seem, beds and bedrooms are not for meals. That's what our kitchens and our dining rooms are for. There's little worse than getting ready to climb into your bed after a long, hard day, only to be greeted by crumbs and last night's midnight snack. Unless you plan to launder your bedding every day, it just isn't comfortable or healthy to sleep on, and it doesn't promote the calm oasis that we all look for at the end of a stressful day. Even if you live in a very small space, which is common in, say, areas like New York City small space living, divide that room up by activity and exclude meals from your sleeping area. Tip number 2 is declutter and organize. Now I know you've heard this one before, but cluttered spaces tend to add to our stress and can even halt our creativity. I think few would disagree that a relaxed mind is the foundation for a creative mind. And because clutter is chaotic and chaos hinders rest, clutter should be removed from our resting places. So after decluttering, take some time to organize your space so there is less chance that the clutter will return. I'll link my videos on decluttering and organizing your space in the description box below or even at the end of this video. Tip number 3 is to maximize your decluttered space by storing vertically. Vertical space is often overlooked when organizing, but that is a grave mistake, especially when space is limited. To keep the space light and airy, choose floating shelves or open cabinetry. These can be as practical as they are beautiful. Tip number 4 is to choose a quality bed and bedding. For the successful drab to fab look, you'll want to put a little more money in your bed and your bedding than you would in other areas of your bedroom. The goal here is comfort, style, and savings. Yes, savings. Because you could certainly purchase a cheap bed, but you'll likely be purchasing another one much sooner than you would if you just purchased quality in the beginning. A quality bed is much more comfortable and will likely outlast several cheaper options. Your bedding should also be quality, as quality material can promote better sleep and also make your room look like a 5-star boutique hotel. Now, tip number 5 is to reset your room by making your bed daily so that when you return in the evening, your room will continue to give you that feeling of a 5-star boutique hotel oasis. This simple act can help facilitate calm and order, as well as take away the chaotic, unkempt feeling of a disorderly room. Now, as promised, thanks for staying till the end because I've got a money-saving bonus tip for you. While a good quality mattress can run upwards of $5,000, depending of course on size and manufacturer, Houston-born Mattress Firm has an incredible sale right now. At the time of this filming, they are offering a 5-year same-as-cash option, a free adjustable base with purchase, and larger size beds for smaller size prices. Listen, we are not sponsored by this retailer, but this deal was just too good not to share. Since this is their President's Day sale, I'm not sure how long it will last, so if you're in the market, you might want to check this one out right away. Now that you're aware, please share. And for more like this coming down the pike, all we ask is that you please like. Above all, be kind. And we'll see you in the next video.